Welcome family and friends to Pagans Beauty. I hope you enjoyed this video because I've created it with a lot of love. Here you'll learn how to do a side bun ended with a pretty flower. If anyone decides to try out this hairstyle and recreates it, please tag me on my Instagram. Also, I have also tagged all the items that you might need to recreate this beautiful hairstyle. I also want to thank all the people that have donated to my channel. If you like this video, please don't hesitate to donate through my channel. Thank you so much. It's very appreciated. Family and friends, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and go ahead and give me a like. Also, please make sure to comment your favorite part or any video suggestions. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Until next time.